Hello, welcome to another unboxing. This time it's the LED party light. Woohoo! Another find on Amazon from China at £8.50. Oh, very, very cheap. Okay, it says here work mode, auto, sound active, optional remote controller. Okay. LED power 3 watts, 4 watts, 6 watts, 8 watts. Power supply 5 volts. And it's a switching power supply, as they all are these days. So it's 100 to 240, 50, 60 hertz. And for some reason, you've got details of the box size. But then it's not ticked which it's for, and it's not ticked what colours it is. Just a bit of fun, something cheap and cheerful. Let's see what we get. Well, it said optional remote, but you do actually get the remote, which is just as well because it doesn't look, you know those multicoloured little lamps you can get, like G10 sort of things. They've usually all got the same controller, but this one looks quite different. There's quite a lot on it actually. Oops, upside down. So we've got on, off, start, stop, music 1, music 2, so that must be something to do with sensitivity, because underneath there's plus or minus, which will probably be the volume for the microphone, I'd imagine. There's brightness up and down, there's auto, and then there's A1, goes right the way through to D15, so I imagine it might have patterns. That's quite a lot for £8.50 if it's got all these patterns and things programmed in. Well, it could be a generic chip, who knows. Anyway, so let's see what we get in the box. There's all sorts. Okay, so free 3 months, replace or refund. Don't know what that's all about, but there we are. Warranty or something. Not happy, do not hesitate. Well, that's nice to know actually, isn't it? Customer service. Oh, and there is a little thing telling you all about it. I don't think we really need to go through that really in particular. There's a little look in case you want to pause and have a look at that. So I'm quite pleased about this because I don't want to use the mounting, and in fact it's plastic anyway. But if you did want to mount it, it's a sucker mount. So obviously not permanent. I guess you could put it on the window, what have you. And then, oh I see, that goes into there. What does it? Oh yeah, so that screws down, so that goes into there. And then these hold it together. But I only seem to have one of these. So there is a part missing, unless... No, it doesn't look like anything extra on here. Oh no, beg your pardon. No, there isn't a bit missing. So there is all the mounting, and there's no transformer, so it's a bit misleading having that about the power supply, because there isn't a power supply. And it works on 5 volts, so you totally disregard all of that, which I just said a minute ago. That is non-applicable. I guess this box may be for a few different versions. But the lens looks quite nice. That looks okay. I think that might disperse quite nicely. So what I want to do is just pop it like that. And oh, we've got looks like quite a nice long, oh yeah, nice long USB lead. And it's a non-standard connection to the lamp itself, so you can't go swapping it with another lead, which is a bit annoying because this is really, really long and I didn't really want where I want to put it. But if you're in your disco situation, you can put it quite some distance away from your power source. Let's just measure this roughly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's around 6 meters long, that lead. It's obviously USB 5 volts, and good, it plugs in on the side, so you can actually pop it down flat. That's good to know. Well, there we are. Do we get a battery? Yes, we do. You can tell because there's a little thing to stop the battery connecting until you actually use it. Take it out of the box. Okay, well, so far so good. Let's plug it in and see what sort of effects we get. Oh, I have to go and get one of those plugs, you know. It supplies USB power. Yeah, so this is the sort of thing you would need. Something that supplies 5 volts, which you don't get with it. But who's complaining for the price anyway? So I'm gonna, with that amount of lead, I think I can actually put this into the middle of the room and do it from there. So I'll do that now. So I just plugged it in. It's gone to whatever its default is. And I've got to say, I mean, I've had little lasers, which have cost a lot more than that, which haven't filled the room. But I have got to say, I'm very impressed. It's actually filling the room really nicely. Trying to get right the way along there. There's my whole ceiling. If I get it right, there we go. Look at that. It's filling the entire room. The whole room. It's wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. I mean, if you were thinking something for a child's bedroom, maybe, I think it might be a bit much for a nightlight, but it'd be a lot of fun. Well, that under a tenner for that effect. So if I can get the camera right down in the corner and looking up. So just looking right up at the ceiling now. All the way down. Wow. So what do these effects do? Okay, so that's D2, which just seems to be green. Okay, so looks like it goes through different colours maybe. No, it doesn't seem to do anything. Well, the first few changed the colours. Well, of course, no, sorry, it's my mistake. You've got to aim it at the unit, of course. Otherwise it won't pick it up. Wow. So I guess there's a few different coloured LEDs in there and it's turning some on, some off. Let's try that. That's brightness, I think. What is it? Yeah, that's brightness. Let's go minus on the brightness. Doesn't seem to do anything. Let's try that one. Ah, okay. God, I tell you what, that's fantastic. It's filled the whole room up here. It's really very nice indeed. I'm very pleased with that. I was going to use it, you know, just as a... Well, I don't know what I was going to use it for. I was going to put it with my Doctor Who stuff, but I think it's actually too good for that. It's better than my laser for filling the room, and actually not bad at brightness, because quite often when you start things out with prisms or lenses or whatever, you get a central area which is quite bright, and then it gets, you know, darker as you go off. Doesn't seem to be the case here. Right. You'd get quite seasick, couldn't you, watching this? Okay, so it's going for all the colours. It's on and off, stop. Well, I've got some control, but I can't get it back to the normal one now. I'm just sort of drifting off here in my own little psychedelic world. That's absolutely wonderful. Anyway, so there we are. So I think I'll put the link to where it is on Amazon. Put it on your wish list. It seems to vary in price by a few pounds. Sometimes it's on a lightning deal, sometimes not. So somewhere around the £8 mark. Of course, you get the odd seller that's selling for a lot more, so you've got to be very careful. That is a surprisingly good, cheap LED light. You're thinking about a children's disco or something. That's fantastic. Anyway, there we are. So thanks for watching. See you again next time.